Hi everyone, I am Raj. I work as ERP engineer at Addend Analytics, Navi Mumbai. Today, I will show you how to use document intelligence service provided by Microsoft. First of all, you have to create your document intelligence resource. Once you create your resource, you will find keys and endpoint in this resource management section. I will be using Postman to send API requests to the service. Inside the Postman, create a post request, paste the URL, and describe the model and the API version. Now go to the authorization section, enter the key value that was mentioned in the document intelligence resource, and then move to the header section. Now in header section, add a value content type and its value as application/pdf, as we are using PDF in this case. Now move to the body part and upload the PDF that you want to extract data from. After this, simply click on send. In the result section, you will find operation location. Copy this operation location, create a new GET request and paste the operation location. Now go to the header section, add the key value here and click on send. As you can see, we got the raw JSON in the result. We can refine this raw JSON and extract the key value pairs that we want to use. I will explain how to refine this JSON with the help of Azure's OpenAI service. Till then, please like, share and subscribe Addend Analytics. Thank you for watching.